area model, same idea. We're going to draw myself a big old long rectangle here. Okay, and I think I'm going to use the top for my trinomial and the side for my binomial. So length times width. I've got a 2x and I've got a 3. They're both positive, so I don't need to put any signs down. Here I've got a 3x squared. I got a minus 5x and a positive 2. You draw my lines to help separate my terms and my partial products so everything makes sense. And let's get started. One area at a time. 2x times 3x squared. That's going to be 6. 2 times 3 is 6. X cubed. X to the squared, x to the second, plus x to the first gives you x cubed. 2x times negative 5x. Remember that negative. 2 times 5 is 10. X times x is x squared. 2x times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and we only have the one x there, so we're good to go. Next terms. 3 times 3x squared. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times x, well, that's x, and squared. There we go. Next terms. We have 3 times negative 5x. It's going to give me negative 15x. And finally, 3 times 2 gives me 6. So we've got all of our partial products in a slightly different format. And we want to go ahead and combine our like terms just like we did before. We got a cube, we have a squared, and we've got, oh, hey, look, another squared here. Make sure we got that right, huh? 3x squared, 3 times 3. Okay, good. I like to double check my work sometimes. I didn't remember having 2 squared terms before. Hey, maybe I did and I missed it, right? All right, let's add them up. 6x cubed. Well, there's nothing else to add to that. Put an equal sign here. Okay, 10x squared, 9x squared. Well, that's negative 10 and positive 9. That combines to make a negative 1x squared, which you can simplify as negative x squared. We have a 4x and a negative 15x. That's going to give us a negative 11x, and finally plus our 6. And this is our answer for this binomial multiplied by this trinomial. And that pretty much concludes our lesson on how to multiply polynomials. We've done a monomial, binomial, trinomial. We talked about using the area method as well as distribution property and FOIL, which is the distributive property. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Martel Math. You can Google Martel Math and find me. You can reach me on social media. And hopefully this video helped you out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out anytime. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.